So in this video of Excel tips and tricks tutorial, and I'm going to show you how you can have the data that is in your Excel column in multiple rows, and you may want to have it separate columns and rows. Okay, we are going to convert the data of a single column but multiple rows into multiple columns and rows, just to make data look and feel good. Okay, doing this manually, like picking the numbers, as you can see, from alternate cell and then putting them into column, and text into next column, and alphabets, etc. If you have such kind of data, you may want to use a formula instead of doing this manually. So the formula isn't very easy. In fact, I will provide you the formula right in the description, so that you just can copy and paste it in your Excel sheet to make your life easy. So this is the formula that we are going to copy and paste, and just I already pasted. Just make sure you are not starting with from the top cell. Okay, just start from no matter in which column you want to enter the data, you just need to start with row number 2. okay, instead of having it on the cell 1. okay, so I just add this formula here, and the same formula is provided in the description. Just copy it and use. And what you need to do, just paste. Okay, let me show you, and by removing these things so that you can see how to apply the formula. I'm going to copy it, and I will put it here, equal sign, and okay, it's okay, I need to put equal sign here so that I can copy. Okay, let's start and paste it here. So I'm starting from C2. okay, the formula is pasted. I'm just going to drag it till I see 0, like this. 0 means the end of data. okay, and there is no further data here, so I'll see the 0, so I will keep dragging till I see on the 0 number. okay, yeah. Now keep all these cells selected, and now we need to move our cursor and drag it towards right. We have and like, okay, we need to have a note that we have only data for 3 columns, so we'll need to drag it in 3 columns, 1 3. So this way you can use it. If you drag it down, you will see the 0 again, because the data is not available anymore. You just can remove this 0 here. So this way you can have your data using this formula, and in this manner you can, instead of using transpose or etc. If you use transpose here, it won't give you the desired result. Let's see. Copy it, copy paste special, our transpose. okay, it will just fill all the data into row instead of column and rows, and this is not what we want. If you want to have your data in this manner, then you need to use this formula, and same is provided in the description. You just copy it and use it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.